Good morning, everyone. We're going to do a little word warm-up today. These are our spelling words for this week. So everybody stand up. Let's jump around. Let's get our bodies ready. A little exercise. Oh, stretch. I feel better. Roll your shoulders and let's go. These are our spelling words for this week. So be listening and thinking. I'm going to say the word and then spell it and then say it again. And then I want you to say it and then spell it. So our first word is yes. Y-E-S, yes. You guys say it. Good job. Our next word is job. J-O-B, job. Now you say it. Next we have hug. H-U-G, hug. You guys say it and maybe give yourself a little hug. Next we have rest. R-E-S-T, rest. Now you say it. Next we have frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Your turn. Now we have hum. H-U-M, hum. Go. Next we have left. L-E-F-T, left. You say it. Now we have melt. M-E-L-T, melt. Your turn. Next we have plum. P-L-U-M, plum. Go. Next we have shut. S-H-U-T, shut. Your turn. Next we have net. N-E-T, net. Your turn. And our last spelling word is dot. D-O-T, dot. You say it. And these are our review words. These are words we had last week that we're just going to review. The first one is glad. G-L-A-D, glad. Your turn. Next is fix. F-I-X, fix. Okay, go. Next is jam. J-A-M, jam. And our last one is list. L-I-S-T, list. Those are our spelling words for this week. Pay attention that all of our spelling words this week have the short E sound, like in yes, or the short O sound, like in job, or the short U sound, like in hug, So let's all give ourselves a round of applause. We said our spelling words for the week. You guys have a great day today.